Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time they upload. So today's video, we're going to do a Christmas party themed makeup look, and this is probably the makeup look that I'm going to use when I go out with the girls for our Christmas do. So yeah, this is my little practice round and it could give you some inspiration, but I'm also going to be using some new goodies. So I'm going to be using the new Danessa Myricks Beauty Lightwork Volume 7 Freedom palette. Going to be using some JacquiO Luxe products. So I've got two powder puffs and then the Marshmallow sponge. I've also got the VIEVE Super Skin Nova Moisture Rich Primer. So I'm looking forward to using that. Also, a product that I've not used before is the YSL blush, and I thought now is a good time to use it. And I've also got a Rimmel Multitasker Liquid Illuminator to use. Might use my little Rude Glazing Milk sample. So yes, if you want to see how I would do my makeup for a Christmas party and for some inspiration, then please stay tuned. So first of all, let's go with brows. And this is something that I've always been using at the moment, and it's the NYX The Brow Glue Crazy Lift. I absolutely love this. You can see that I'm like nearly out. NYX did kindly send me another one though, so I know that I've got a backup. And I just squeeze a bit out. So I just run it over my brows, and then just scoop them into place basically. So then they're not going anywhere. So I'm going to use a bit of this glazing milk now, which I'm excited. I know that I have got a Rode gift set for Christmas. I think I may have put too much on, which is annoying because that means I wasted the whole sachet, which comes with the glazing milk because I did ask for it. And I'm excited to see what all the fuss is about. I put on way too much. Didn't realise so much was in a little sachet. Okay, now it's rubbing in and starting to get a bit more tacky, which is nice. It does feel very moisturising. But I did hear that it's really nice underneath makeup. I am looking very, very glassy right now, which is a good thing, so that hopefully that peeps through underneath my foundation. It's left my skin looking very, very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and do eyes first. To start off, I'm always going to use the P.Louise base, shade 2. No, this is shade 3. And I just squeeze them out into a palette. And I'm just going to use a flat brush. Now I'm just going to go in with a brow pen and just fill in the sparse areas on my brows. Just going to use a flat brush and just tap in that base and make sure all the excess is all blended in. So I'm going to use a combination of the Danessa palette, and I'm just going to zoom you in. I'm going to use a combination of the Danessa palette, but also my Jordana Ticia Nude Divinity palette, because this is just such a good staple palette to have, full of those basic neutrals. So I'm just going to start off with the very palish shade out of this palette, so called Empress. And I'm just going to go and just buff that into my brow bone, because I really like a very pale brow bone, like a brow highlight. And we will go over the top with shimmer in a bit, but you can already see like that just elevates that brow bone for a little bit. Next, in the Danessa palette, I'm just going to hold this up very, very carefully, because if you saw in my last video of my haul, I had a whole shade fall out of the pan and I have repressed it. So I'm going to hold it like this, and I'm just going to go into this lightest matte shade here on that side. And I'm just going to take a large fluffy brush, it could be any large fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with this Beauty Bay one. Now I've not used, actually I have got mattes from Danessa Myricks. So going into the pan, get a lot of kickback, but hopefully that means that the pigment of them are really, really good. And this is probably similar to my skin tone. And I'm just running that through the crease, quite roughly to be fair, but just building up that transitional shade. So lifting up very, very, gentle. I'm going to go in with this matte shade now. I'm just going to take a smaller, fluffy blending brush. And I'm just running this out on the outer edge of my crease. Then I'm going to go back into the Jordana Ticia palette, and I'm going to go in with a mixture of these two shades for my lid. And then we're going to top it with a bit of glitter. So I'll turn it off, and then the days that you're going to come round, obviously then I'll turn it back on. Okay, so now we've got the base of the eyes down. We're going to go in with some of these gorgeous, gorgeous shimmers. So some of them are literally like liquid metal. They look so beautiful. I don't know what one to go in with. Then I'm going to go in with this shade here first, which was this shade. And I'm just going to tap that on very, very gently. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm just going to dip my brush into it. So I want that bit to blend out a bit more, so it's more sparkly. Okay, so now I've done that, I think I'm going to go in with this like white shade here, just on my brush. It's got like a goldy pink reflect to it. I think I want something a bit lighter. So I'm going to use a really, really old eyeshadow now. And this is the MAC single eyeshadow. It's so old, all the back's rubbed off, but I think it's nylon. So I'm just going to take my brush and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner to really brighten that inner corner, because I felt like that inner corner shade that I just used was way too dark. And I'm just going to pop a little bit on my brow bone as well, like that. So we are very sparkly. Then I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel Wonder Ink liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade Spiced Chestnut, so the brown, and I'm just going to line my lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the VIEVE Super Skin Nova Moisture Rich Primer. Now I've not used this before, so I'm quite looking forward to it, but as you can see it's very, very gold and glowy. Hopefully it's tacky, but it's meant to have a really nice moisturising element to it. Now my skin is looking very, very glowy. So I'm going to go ahead, do my foundation, concealer, cream bronzer and cream blush, because I'm not going to use any new products for that, and then I'll come back for the powdered products. So we will be right back. So I've gone ahead and done a lot of my face, and now I'm going to go in with literally my new favourite bronzer, but I'm so gutted because when I first bought it, it was smashed to pieces, and I have managed to repress it. Now it looks a bit dodgy, but it does the job. And this is the Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Bronzing Powder in the shade Toasty. I was going to buy another one, but I just thought I'm just going to repress it. And I'm just tapping that out on the outer edge. And I'm going to go in around the edges of my eyeshadow with it too, just so then it all is all cohesive. And it's just such a nice bronzer. So I'm just taking a P.Louise brush, just a fluffy brush, rounded one. And I'm just going to run that around the very, very edge, just to soften the edge of the eyeshadow. But I'm also going to bring that down onto my nose. And I'm also going to run it along my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to go in with Morphe Vibes pencil, and I did tightline with this, but I'm also going to go in to my lower lash line. Just run this in my waterline. Now I'm going to go in with this blush, which I've not used yet, and I got this for my birthday. And let me tell you, it's a very bougie blush. So this is the YSL Make Me Blush. Just look how pretty it is. And she is a very, very pigmented blush, but beautiful blush nevertheless. And I'm just using my Peach and Cream PC04 brush. But I really do love that. It's giving winter flushed cheeks. Next, I'm going to take this Rimmel Multitasker Turbo Charge Glow Liquid Illuminator, and this is in the shade Chelsea Glow. And I'm just going to swipe it on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to use my finger, just tap into it. And oh my god, look at that glow. Just tapping it into my skin, just on the high points of my cheeks. I'm just going to top it on my nose as well. And that is so nice. Now I'm just going to go in with the P.Louise Lip Liner in the shade So Dramatic, which is a red. I feel like for a Christmas party you've got to have a red. Now I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. And then the lipstick of choice is the Doll Beauty Red Between the Lines, which is a beautiful red shade. So that is my Christmas party makeup all finished. And I really like the way that this looks. I probably would, if I was going out, put on a bigger lash, but I've just got my individuals on for the time being. So at the actual time, I will go in with a bigger lash. But this is basically it. Loving the red lip combo. So with the Doll Beauty Red Between the Lines lipstick. Absolutely gorgeous lipstick. very, very soft on the lips. It doesn't feel drying whatsoever, and it's still got like a little bit of a sheen to it, which is always good. And then the P.Louise So Dramatic Lip Liner Pencil, which I just love. The P.Louise lip liners are so good. And I'm just loving this blush. I think this blush is so, so pretty. Definitely perfect for this season. I really liked the Rimmel Multitasker Turbo Charge Glow. That was good. Obviously my favourite bronzer at the moment. My skin is literally skinning. It is absolutely glowing. I did use my new JacquiO Luxe Marshmallow Sponge. Sus on the name because obviously Clomana, JacquiO Luxe, both marshmallow sponges, but nevertheless, and I did just use a mixture of my NARS foundation. So this is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've got the shade Valencia and Salzburg. I mix these together and it's a really good shade for me, but as you can see, it looks very, very nice. And then obviously the main star of the show, I would say, is this Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 7 palette, which is absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful all over the eyes. We're giving very glitz and glamour right now, and I can't wait to create more looks dedicated to that palette. So if you want to see those coming up, then please sound off below. But yeah, really, really happy with how this makeup look turned out. I hope this helped you if you needed some inspo for your Christmas parties or Christmas Day. This would be a nice Christmas Day makeup look as well. And yeah, let me know down below if you use this makeup, and if you can you post pictures in the YouTube comment? I'm not too sure. If you can, post me a picture of what your Christmas party makeup looked like. I'd love to see them, and I hope you all have a really, really good time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!